So that's how you're going to stay with us. That's how we're going to be lifelong partners.
If it's an SEO audit or a marketing audit, why do we look at usability and conversion elements?
The short answer is because we build long-term relationships with our clients. And the only way that we can build that long-term relationship is if we can prove and show an ROI. And in order for us to deliver an ROI, we can't just send traffic to your site. That is not essentially an effective SEO strategy, right? We need to now convert that traffic that we're driving to your site. So that's how you're going to stay with us. That's how we're going to be lifelong partners. And that's our objective, and that's our value proposition at Optimum 7. Because we don't just promise, oh, we're going to increase your traffic and rankings. No, we're going to move your bottom line. That's what we're going to do. That's our value proposition.